nature. Commune with nature and heed the call, for we're all God's children. Come one, come all. Being in nature makes us slow down. Worries wash away like a soft flowing gown. Commune with nature and learn to be. The calmness will stay for all eternity. For once we tap into our great divine, we'll feel different all of the time. This newfound calmness is such a gift. No longer anger, no longer rift. Share it with others, so all will know the key to oneness, the key to flow. For as God's creatures, we all need to learn how to commune in the great big earth. Teach others to be mindful, lift their spirits up. Let all the goodness fill God's cup. Overflow it like water, simple and pure. Heal sickness and sadness in one magic cure. God's great bounty is for all to enjoy. Just open your eyes and you'll know why. We're all connected, yes, it's true. Be wiser, my dears, as the truth comes to you.